Okay, let's hope this game doesn't suck.
Hush, simpleton.
A great power has awoken.
Crash!
Maybe.
Crash!
Alright, crash stuff. Done? The game feels nice. That's racist. Is there some other trick to get those boxes again? Oh. Oh. Not making that mistake again. So can you just jump on you guys? And then... got it. Oh, don't I suck. Oh. This? Oh yeah, don't these take you to something? Wonderful. So I guess that's it for the bonus. Can you go back? Oh, you can. How do I get up there? Oh. Is anything down that? I guess not. No! Get off of me. Get off of me. Oh, wait, no. Ew. Oh. How do you get this one underneath? Nope. Yeah, she was like bacon. Holy shit. I gotta get off this. Damn it. Yeesh. Eesh. Oh. Oh, he's not chasing me. In case, chasing me. Oh no. Oh.
If the quantum masks have returned, then...
Hey, Aku. And we will prevail.
Why is this Clockman the center of, like, the villain attention?
Not this time. I've got a backstage pass for you to get up close and personal with my weapon of mass percussion. I'm ready to rock.
Like, I don't mind the, like, Igor type voice, but that kind of, like, robotic hint to it doesn't work for me. Yeah, what are you doing? The hell did he cover me in? And? Oh. Oh, wait, I guess you can hang from here. Huh? I chose to hang at the wrong time. Wait, how do you get those? How do you get those ones on the side there? Oh, I guess. What the ass am I supposed to do? Okay, not that. Wait. Shit. That gets real confusing, man. I don't like this at all. Okay, great. Okay. And then how do you get both of those? Really? You're gonna make me do that? Okay, no. That's not happening. That is not happening. Oh shit. Alright, enough of you. This suit sucks. Yeah, get me out of here. Is that what you do? Is that your thing?
Leave behind nothing but a smoking.
Get on it, get on it, get off it. And there's your thing. Those tiny little barrels they want me to jump on. Oh, you again. Oh, I hit the wrong button. That was a good place to practice it, and I hit the wrong button. Really? Okay. I thought I would have made it over that. Crouch jumps. I'm glad you said that because I had completely forgotten about them. Eesh. Oh. This is a nightmare. Is this mask that I'm wearing the reason nobody talks about this game? Is this it? It's it, right? So it's where you do a crouch jump? Nice. If you didn't tell me or remind me about that crouch jump, I would have like been stuck. This is where I would have given up. I would have gotten to here and been like, must be a bug. There must be some kind of glitch. Oh shit. Wrong button. Oh wait, now I can't get up because of... Okay. Don't care. Get out of my life. Okay, we're getting... we're getting over this. Alright, how do you... And then... Okay. And that is the slam. Okay, I gotta remember that. Dude, get out of here. It was close, this one. It was close. I'm trying to figure out what that skin is that you unlock. It's like he's wearing a box of fries on his head. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. I hate this. It would have been fine if it was just jumping back and forth, but the whole pressing circle to go under. Like my brain can't process that kind of nonsense and collect these boxes. It's not possible. Alright, so we only want one of those. Red gem. Oh yeah, I thought. Oh. Oh, please don't give me that dude's mask again. Please don't give it to me. Good. So what the hell are these things? Is this really like Mario World, where there's exclamation mark boxes I gotta get? So does that mean all the boxes here are lit up again? And if they are, how the hell do I get them? Whatever. Yeah, I'm still missing 4. Oh shit. Oh, stupid game. How do I get back? Okay, maybe there's another way. I am... Oh. How do I get back now? Yeah, 100% stranded. I have no idea what to do. Maybe if I had that stupid mask, he could help me out. Can't get to that. Can't get off this. Do I just like... There's no way. That's a thing. Oof. Thank you. I guess the same thing for here. Holy crap, dude. Now what about this? Super time it or get crushed by that box and everything goes to waste and I get frustrated. Okay. Oh, never again. Never again do I want to do that. I imagine the same thing. I imagined correctly. Alright. What do we got? I'm gonna get off of me. Never again do I... Perfect. Ah. What's the deal here? Yes. Okay. Shit. Zero? No. So a jump change the thing. So, I don't know. Alright. Jump, change it. I don't think I'm fast enough for it. Holy ass. Oh. Now you have to go back and get all those... I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. Yeah.
All right, all you bloodthirsty lunatics. Put your freaky little hands together for Rocket Head! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare for a beating, Bandicoot.
I wasn't ready. I still wasn't ready. Can I just jump over the spikes? Oh, I'm supposed to hit them back.
You're ruining my flow!
Just like throw his enemies at me and I throw them back.
Stay away from my robot!
Oh, I'm supposed to hit it.
Don't like death metal.
Oh, slide. I guess those swirly bits of air he's shooting at me is supposed to be sweet rock and roll beats. Okay, okay. I hate that mask. Oh, good. Good for you. Did you run out of guys? Gee.
Now Bandicoots allowed on the grounds.
Calm the fuck on, game.
Don't like death metal.
No, death metal's just fine. It's that stupid mask. Oh. Oh, does that mean I have to hit him 3 more times? Oh, twice more. Eesh. This is not cool. Stupid mask and now moving stuff because this is what I want to do.
You really know how to... We'll do this the hard way.
Die! Was he looking? Oh man, what are they doing to me, game? If I have to do that whole thing over. Okay, well at least there's that. I don't get. Oh man, this is a nightmare. Holy. So once I game over, I'm calling it quits. This is unbelievable. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh, please, dude. Oh, come on. Oh, you're gonna make me do all this nonsense.
Will you stop interrupting?
Unbelievable. I can't believe I used all my lives on that guy. Oh. So I guess this penalty isn't like a game over though. It's just I have to do the level over. So I guess that's no big deal. I can manage. But I do think I'm gonna call it for now. We'll definitely be playing this game again. It is stressful, but it is a good time. Anyway, yeah, thanks for everyone for joining, and stay normal.